Hello there. This is a showcase of the i4 engine in the MPG workshop. Step 1, fuel. Once it has sufficient fuel, it starts. It works amazingly. It doesn't run out of fuel on its own. It needs to be drained of its fuel. It has been drained of all fuel. Here's how you can power things with it. Grab a generator. Then whatever you want to power, fuel the engine. Make one of the knock sensors, buttons, power the generator. Then make the generator power the wheel, or whatever you want to power.